This video is about the Konjac color sponges. There are 6 sponges I received, and I'm gonna do a review and a demonstration at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna open the box with you right now, and we have inside 6 hard sponges. They are hard. See? So, how to use them? First of all, you have on the back of the package, you have all the instructions. So they explain you how to use them. First of all, you need to soak them for 3 or 5 minutes in warm water. And then you need to apply a cleanser on top, wherever you want, a cleanser you like, and you put on top. When it's so soft, you just have to rub your face like that in circular motion, and after that you rinse your face out with warm water, and you always finish with so cold water, so your skin feels so soft. I use it, I try it, and I was so amazed. At the end of the video, you can watch how I do the review, the demonstration of these sponges. So they come in, there are 6 sponges, so you can use them for 2 months. So it's 12 months of supply, so it's worth it. I love them very much, so much, and they are organic. That means they have no chemical inside. They are made of natural vegetable ingredients, so no harm. They're not gonna harm your skin, so it's safe. And I think the good thing with these sponges, they had all little string on top, so when you're done using it, you can just hang this sponge on top of a faucet or wherever you want, and it's very convenient. Sorry, and when it's dry, that's good because there are no bacteria or germs on the sponge. So I think that's it for this review, and I hope you like it. So I want to see you in my next one. Have a good day. Bye, guys. Okay, this is the demonstration on how I use my sponges, the Konjac Color Sponges 6-pack. And behind the back package, we have the instruction, and they explain you how to use it carefully. Now I'm gonna open it, and as you can see, there are 6 sponges, and they all have strings on the top, so you can hang them on the faucet. Today I'm gonna choose the one I like. So now I choose the pink. So first of all, you need to soak the sponge on the water, so it becomes very soft on the water for 3-5 minutes, and you can take a cleanser wherever you want, the cleanser you like, and you put a little bit of cleanser on top of the sponge. I choose mine. I usually use Lancome by I use the Lancome. It smells so good. It's Lancome with roses. So I just put just a little bit, and I'm gonna rub this sponge, gently scrub my face with a sponge in the circular motion. So I'm so gentle. I don't do it too hard. So I'm gonna continue to scrub my face in circular motion. Is very good for the blood circulation when you use it in a circular motion. And one day I try to put more water so it's gonna melt easily. The cleanser gonna melt easily, and I feel myself amazing with this sponge. It's very soft and very easy to apply. It doesn't cost a lot. You can find it on Amazon. And when you're done doing washing of cleansing, sorry, when you're done with the sponge, you need to rinse your face with warm water and finish up with cold water to tighten the skin a little bit. And you can just like dry your face with a towel, a clean towel, of course. Yeah, you have also to rinse the sponge and after using it, and just hang it so it can dry and use it the next morning. So yeah, well, like I said, I just tap in and dry my face with a towel, and I feel clean, so fresh. All the dirt is gone, the blackhead, and I'm gonna put a link of in the description box below after this video. Thanks for watching. Voila!